Today, I am going to show you how I saved all of my possessions from destruction and made my mom happy with one invention.
Let's see your video.
I love to play. I love to throw things. I love to drive things. I love to play things. I love to fling things. I love to build things. But I hate cleaning up. This leads to all sorts of problems. I can't find where things are. I'm always tripping over stuff on the floor. But most of all, it drives my mom crazy. She's always saying she's going to smash all of my toys if I don't put them away. So to avoid losing the things I love, to make myself a better person, and to make my mom happy, I came up with a solution. This invention automatically detects when my room is messy and essentially forces me to clean it up. It does this via ultrasonic sensor, stepper motor, Arduino board, and some other little helpers. When plugged in, every 30 minutes, it scans my room. If it detects messiness, it sets off an alarm via a speaker I had on hand from a circuit learning set. If it senses messiness again, the alarm goes off again.
Sure do like those Christmas cookies, sugar. Sure do like those Christmas cookies, baby.
Yeah, you're good.
Does it look like Santa Claus and Christmas trees and bells and stars? I sure do like those Christmas cookies, babe. Now Christmas cookies are a special treat. The more she bakes, the more I eat. And sometimes I can't get myself to stop. Sometimes she'll wait till I'm asleep, then she takes the ones that I didn't eat and she'll put those little sprinkly things on top. Sure do like those Christmas cookies, sugar. Sure do like those Christmas cookies, babe.